Okay, so in this portion, all we're doing is one question on Google Sheets. A part of our curriculum is that you can do graphs by hand and that you can also use technology, which, I mean, if you have a heavy set of data, lots of data points, you're probably going to be using a computer anyways. So what I did is I just kind of pre-uploaded the shell. This is the first question we just did by hand with the bar graph. So you have your category, your amount, and you can just type on a spreadsheet just by clicking on the cell, double tapping it, and just start typing. A couple of things that helps keep your data organized. So I just used a different color under the fill color category. Just make sure that category and amount kind of stand out. You can adjust your settings to make it look nicer. So you could put the text in the middle. If you wanted to put like a little border around it, you could do that just to make it look nicer. Whatever your style is, feel free to add it onto your spreadsheet. So using Google Sheets is probably the easiest software ever to do graphs on. All you're going to basically do is highlight all of your data. You're going to click Insert on the top ribbon, and you can insert basically anything that you like. But if you click Chart, Google is pretty smart. It's going to come up with the best chart to display your data. Now, what you'll notice is the first one that it chose was actually a pie chart. So look at that. These are all approximately the same percentages that we just did the pie chart with. So that's how you make a pie chart as well. I mean, it's very, very straightforward. The reason it probably picked a pie chart was because it's all categorical data. So things like on the news, for example, like weather, politics, a lot of that is often displayed in a pie chart because it is categorical data. If you want to change the chart type, you just go to the setup tab on the right-hand side, click where it says pie chart, and you can change it to whatever you like. And right there, you have a bar graph. In Google Sheets, it's called column chart, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, it's basically just one click of a button. You can explore the other types of bar charts and things like this. So this is more of like a horizontal look. You could look at like a line graph, although it might not be the most appropriate for this data set. So you're free to basically use whatever you like. Obviously some are better than others. Like a scatter, it's okay. It doesn't really do a whole lot for us. The best ones are really just the bar chart, the pie graph, and the line chart. Oops, let me go back to my bar chart. So that's basically how you do it. If you wanted to change any of the headers, you can just double click them, type. You could also just not highlight the categories that were highlighted in the blue there. But really, if your data is organized, everything really just comes up perfectly. You can change colors if you wanted to. You can, I don't know, do something funky, change it to yellow. You can make it kind of like transparent. I find that a little bit harder to see, but you could play around with that. So that is basically how you make a bar graph in Google Sheets. Very, very easy.